Right everyone, welcome back to Marky Big Smoke. As you can see, we're making progress, small amounts of progress. Anyway, what I'm doing at the moment, I decided to get this little piece of kit, which is a bush cutter, to get through most of the bramble tops and just hack the brambles down to a stubble. It was taking a long time by hand. I could have done it, but it would have taken a lot longer. So I've got this piece of kit here. Yeah. It's my wife Susie, come to help me today, and she's got her headphones on with music because the bush cutter's quite loud. Anyway, thanks. It's a bit noisy, but I've got my ear protection on. Let's go. Well, we seem to be making a dent. More than halfway in there. I've just got to get rid of this big chunk of bramble tops there and cut down stubs a bit more. But nearly up to that big old box there. Looking good. So there's a mattress, mega pallets, bits of wood, all sorts in that pile. This is freshly raked bramble tops today. And as you can see, I've made quite a big dent in that section today. So I'll show you a little bit of what I've got left to dig out. I mean, another shower door. This must have been an old chest that people were using. Glass under here everywhere. Obviously loads of plastic. All this has got to be carefully taken apart. I've got to plant some bulbs up there on the bank all the way along the top for people to enjoy. Right guys, thought I'd bring you up on top of the grassy bank again to show you the view. I'll walk forward. What I've achieved so far, it looks tiny from up here. It's about half the length of the plot, I think. Oh my god, what is that? Stuff that's been dumped. Anyway, that's all going to come another time. Look at that from there. Yeah, I reckon I've done nearly half of the plot there. So that's where I started the other day, right up the other end. And we've got all that to do. You can swing around a bit and have a look at that, if you like. And there's a lot to do. And this is just the surface. So come back and join me again soon. So that's it for today, guys. And you can see we've made quite a bit of progress today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Cheers.